Home Remedies presents Drink this miracle water daily and see what happens to your body. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today's video is actually the extension of my video I have done on the health benefits of drinking barley water daily. In today's video, I will mention the potential beauty benefits of drinking this miracle water. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. I will straight away go to the benefits as all the other information including the recipe on how to make it is available on my video, for which I will post the link in the description for anyone who didn't watch. Apart from health benefits, barley has a lot of benefits for the skin and hair too. Benefits of barley water for skin. Has healing properties. The zinc present in barley helps to heal the skin and repair wounds, if any. Take barley powder orally or apply it as a paste regularly for a few months and you will notice a significant reduction in facial lesions or wounds. Anti-aging. The presence of large amounts of selenium helps in maintaining the elasticity of the skin, keep it toned and prevent free radical damage. Selenium is also important for the proper functioning of the pancreas, heart and immune system, all of which reflect on your face. Brightens the skin tone. Barley has anti-inflammatory properties. When you apply barley water on the skin, it reduces acne and fights skin infection. Barley can also brighten the skin tone by acting as a gentle exfoliator and controlling oil secretion. Apply a paste of barley flour and lemon juice on the face and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes or till it's completely dry. Wash it off with cold water to give your skin a refreshed look. Treats clogged pores. If you are suffering from clogged pores and acne breakouts, barley water is the best natural solution. An anti-inflammatory compound called celiac acid can help in unblocking the pores, reduce skin inflammation and also prevent acne. Along with internal consumption, applying the water directly on the skin can make it smooth and glass-like. Benefits of barley water for hair. Fights hair loss and retains hair color. The presence of niacin, thiamine and procyanidin B3 enables this water of barley to promote hair growth, rendering a thick, lush hair. Iron and copper enriched barley water improves the production of red blood cells, thereby offering relief from hair loss due to anemia. The presence of copper also aids in maintaining the color of your hair by triggering melanin secretion in right amounts. Barley water for women. Barley water has found to be immensely beneficial for women. Pregnant and lactating women can rely on this drink on a regular basis to improve the quality and quantity of breast milk secreted. Here is what this humble drink can do for the women during pregnancy and breastfeeding. The analgesic properties of this drink help in soothing the pain experienced during the initial days of breastfeeding. It safeguards women from urinary tract and yeast infections experienced during pregnancy. Being low in the glycemic index, it could aid the new mothers to shed the pregnancy weight in a healthy way. It stimulates the production of digestive juices, thereby easing indigestion and related problems in the mothers as well as babies. Sip the drink to ease morning sickness experienced during the first trimester. Regular use of this drink can prevent gestational diabetes in pregnant women. Keep pregnancy-triggered edema and hypertension at bay with this awesome drink. Barley water is also known to ease nasal congestion during pregnancy. Prevent the formation of gallstones at bay with barley water during pregnancy. Don't forget to check out my video to get all the relevant information on this amazing water which has not been covered here. I'm informing again, I will post the video link in the description for reference. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.